Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Emboldened by the Supreme Court judgment that restored their mandate, the Rivers State Lawmakers, loyal to the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom, has given the governor of the state, Simi Fubara, 48 hours to sack all his commissioners. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Pro-Wike Speaker Nyesom, has ordered Rivers State Governor to sack his commissioners. Now, Amehule gave the order in a letter written to Governor Simi Fubara, demanding the sack of all commissioners in the state within 48 hours. Now, the resolution reportedly came about after the House met on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. So the sacking of the commissioners was part of the resolutions of the House when they met on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. The Assembly also demanded the sack of all other appointees not properly screened by the Pro-Wike lawmakers. Consequently, the Amehule-led House ordered Governor Fubara to submit a new list of nominees for appointment as commissioners within 48 hours. Now, you recall that this is not the first 48 hours ultimatum this House had given to Governor Simi Fubara. Earlier on, they had given him 48 hours to represent the 2025 budget. Now, there was a statement by the Rivers State government replying to them about the 48 hours ultimatum of representation of the budget, telling them that they have not received the resolution demanding the representation of the budget. They say that there are checks in the governor's office, in the office of the deputy governor, and the office of the attorney general and the commissioner for justice. They have not seen the letter, the resolution. The order, that's the 48 hours to represent the budget. Fubara government said they have not received the resolution. Why that is still an issue, they have issued another 48 hours to sack all the commissioners and all other appointees that was not screened by Pro-Wike lawmakers. Now, that has also created problems for Simi Fubara. How do you tell somebody to sack his commissioner within 48 hours? His commissioners within 48 hours. And then bring a new list within that same 48 hours. And it seems that this Nyesom-led House, they love military fiat. I think it's a carryover from decades of military rule in Nigeria, where people dish out orders in a military style. And they particularly love 48 hours. This must be done within 48 hours. The governor must sack them within 48 hours. He must bring a new list within 48 hours. It's interesting what is unfolding in Rivers State. But that is what you get from Nigerian Supreme Court. Nigerian Supreme Court, what they can either make or mar our democracy. The reason the judiciary exists is to settle dispute in a just manner, in line with the law. But in recent times, a lot of Supreme Court judgments have ended up creating crises. Look at what is happening in Imo State. Since the Supreme Court returned somebody who came forth and declared the person the governor, things fall apart in Imo State, and the center can no longer hold. Imo State has become an epicenter of violence, of killings, of anarchy. Many communities in Imo State are deserted. Many communities, many local governments are deserted. People cannot travel to their communities because of insecurity that was unheard of in that part, in Southeast and in those parts of Imo State. Things that has never happened in Imo have been happening since that infamous judgment that made somebody who came forth to come first by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of Nigeria have been passing judgments that makes the people, the world, laugh at Nigeria. That is the truth. Remember about the issue of President Bola Tinubu forfeiting $460,000 process of narcotic. Even the lawyers of the Tinubu did not argue that was not forfeited. But what did the Supreme Court of Nigeria say? The Supreme Court of Nigeria said that President Bola Tinubu, who they paid, whose account the money was allegedly found, he said that Bola Tinubu was not indicted, that it was his account that was indicted. It was the account of Bola Tinubu that was indicted, and not Tinubu himself. Even some British journalists that analyzed that kind of judgment, they were laughing at us as a nation. That it was not Tinubu that was indicted. It was his account that was indicted. That was what the apex court of a country was able to come up with. So Rivers State has to endure and deal with the shenanigan of the Pro-Wike lawmakers until such a time that they will be in a position to send their message loud to President Bola Tinubu, who is seen as an enabler of what is going on in Rivers State, and answer him clearly. We know that in 2023, the Rivers people rejected Bola Tinubu. That was the result that was shown to us by the BBC and the Premium Times, that it was Peter Obi of the Labour Party that the people of Rivers State voted for. But INEC and those in Rivers State who thwarted the will of the Rivers people presented Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the winner of that election. But independent verification by BBC and Premium Times show it was Peter Obi. So the people of Rivers State will be able to answer Bola Ahmed Tinubu when the time comes, and they will defend their vote. I hope they do, to ensure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who allow all these things to happen, this embarrassment, Rivers State and Rivers people who are smart people are now made to look as people who don't know what they are doing, just because one man was fighting for structure. I hope that Rivers people will not forget the embarrassment that Tinubu administration has caused them, and ensure that his defeat in 2027 will be with a wide margin that they cannot be able to regain, no matter how hard they try. That is the only message that Rivers people owe the Nigerians in respect to all the shenanigans by the Pro-Wike lawmakers. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you.